Welcome back, watchateers, to a new episode, and today we are going to talk about nothing less than the perfect watch. And is there something like a perfect watch out there? Is there a Neo of watches? The Neo of watches. So let's talk about the Neo of watches. Is there something like it out there? I recently built my Seiko Xplorer 361, and this one I put it to its praises the last couple of days, and if there is something like a perfect watch out there, this is it. Except it isn't. And why is that? Before we start, we need to lay some ground rules here. What is it? What that defines the perfect watch? What should a perfect watch be able to accomplish to be called the Neo of watches? A perfect watch is a watch that you can wear on a daily basis. Yes, you can. The perfect watch is a watch you can wear to work. Yes, you can, definitely. You can take it to a sports event. Yes, you can. You even can go to a dinner party with it. Oh yes, you can. Did all of that, checked all the boxes, and it still isn't the perfect watch, because there is a task you can't do, or you could do with it, but let's face it, you won't do with it. It's something like working in the garden or repairing your car. You could wear the watch, but it would be easily scratched up, and you can forget about the dinner party afterwards. So yeah. It is 99% the perfect watch. When I say perfect watch, it is perfect for me. There is no rule book that says this is a perfect watch or this is a watch that should do this or do that. It's all in your perspective. And in my perspective, this is to 99% the perfect watch. So a watch collection could be considered complete with two watches. One, the almost 99% Neo of watches, the watch you can wear on almost any occasion, and a let's call it beta watch. I hate the term beta watch, but let's say tough watch. A watch you wear in the garden, a watch you wear on when you're repairing your car, your boat, your plane, whatever you have. With these two watches, you could survive anything. I do really love the Xplorer 361. It turned out to be the watch I wear the most. It is the watch I wear almost every day. And even if it stops ticking, like from yesterday to today, overnight it stops ticking because the power reserve ran out, it has no date. So resetting it is very easy and very straightforward. It's turning the crown, setting it to the perfect time, and off you go. This is why I will wear this one more often than my other watches, because it is just a comfortable, easy watch to wear. It looks awesomely tremendous. It looks so good. It is suitable for almost any occasion. And if you're looking for a watch that can do it all, almost, that can take on 99% of your events, tasks, and things you do, consider an Explorer homage. Except if you have the money to buy an original Explorer, then buy the original. But if you're like me and if you don't have the money in the bank to afford an Explorer, this is the perfect watch. The design is so classy, it is understated, it's comfortable to wear because it's thin and it's not too big, it's not too small. This is arguably the best watch in my collection, and the fact that I built it or modded it myself gives me a special relationship with that watch. And I know I will keep this one I guess forever, until it stops ticking because the movement is old and crappy. Then I just changed the movement. It's in 7S26, so it doesn't break the bank to change the movement and keep it alive, keep it well, and keep it ticking. But I also will add a new beater, a new tough watch to my collection. I'm thinking about the G-Shock or something like that. Let's see what is coming up in the next few weeks, because if you want to buy a watch, don't instant buy. Don't buy on impulse. Never buy a watch on impulse, because you are most certainly going to regret it. You're most certainly going to send it back or selling it off. Last few days I thought about the Seiko SNA 411, the Flightmaster, the Flighty. I really do like this watch. It looks so good, but I'm happy that I didn't buy it on an impulse, because I most certainly would have regretted it. I'll wait. There will be a wonderful deal around in the future. I bet there will be. But if I would buy it now, I would have to pay around 340 to 400 bucks. I could order it from Singapore, but then you have to pay taxes, and maybe there is an awesome deal coming up in the future. But until then, I don't know if I will wear another watch in my collection in the next few days or next few weeks than the Seiko Xplorer. Maybe the 5KX. 5KX is also a pretty good watch, but if you're used to the Seiko Xplorer, putting on another watch that is bigger, it almost feels like a big rock on your wrist. This one is just, it just hugs the wrist so nice, so tight, and it is just a wonderful size, a wonderful watch. And I'm having a hard time buying another watch right now. Let's see if I fall out of the honeymoon phase in a few weeks, or maybe it continues. Maybe it is the Neo of watches, to 99% at least. Yeah, otherwise we'll see what brings the future. Nobody knows what the future will hold, but we'll see. I hope you liked the video. Please share the video, comment in the comment section below. What is your perfect watch? What is your watch you wear the most? What is the watch you wear on any occasion? What is your Neo of watches? And yeah, we will see you in the next video. I hope you liked it, and stay healthy, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, an awesome watch. See you in the next one.